Clark with Awesome Powder Coat. I'm doing the installation of the Volkswagen Type 3 engine tin. This is the last video in the series, video 12, I think. So this is the tin. You see it has this notch cut out for the oil cooler exhaust. It dumps it out right near the clutch lever arm for the clutch. But it just fits on like this. Goes on pretty easy. There's two screws that hold it in place. You got one over here and one on the other side. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. And then, just like that, it's all together. I dropped my screwdriver. But you get the idea. So that's all the engine tin for the Volkswagen Type 3 engine. You know, next you would put your intake manifold and your carb or carburetors on. And then the exhaust.